Let's start by reviewing the new sounds from lesson 4. B, e, b, e. Our new sound today is k, 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 k. Short O. Ah, 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 ah. Short U. Uh, 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 uh. Try to say the sounds before I do. K, ah, uh, ah, uh. K, k, ah. First, we will say the sounds slowly, then we will say them fast. K, at, cat. K, at, cot. K, at, cut. B, at, bot. B, at, but. Nod, nod. Nut, nut. Not, not. Odd, pod. Un, pun. Und, pond. Bud, bud. If you can say all of these sounds before I do, you are ready for lesson 6. Ah, eh, I, ah, b, k, d, o, n, s, t, ah, I, ah, b, k, d, f, o, n, s, t. First, say the sounds slowly, then say them fast. B, an, ban. This is a name, so it has a capital letter. B, an, ben. B, in, bin. B, un, bun. K, at, cat. K, at, cats. K, up, cup. K, op, cop. Nut, nut. There are 2 words in English that have only one letter in them. This is the first word. It is sometimes pronounced a, but most of the time it sounds like a short U. This is the word I. Let's practice these one-letter words. Uh, uh, uh. I, I, I. Remember, this word can also be pronounced a, but it is far more common to hear it be pronounced K, at, cat. Sad, sad. K, at, cat. Sad cat. I, at, pet. Sad cat. I pet a sad cat. Sat, sat. Mom, sat, sat. Mom sat. Mom and I sat. Mom and I sat. At, rat. Rat, cut. Rat, cut. Rat, cut. At. Rat cut a cat. Mad, mad. I am mad. I am mad. I am not sad, sad. I am not sad. Op, cop. Op, sat, sat. Cop, sat. A cop is a police officer. A cop sat on a cat. A cop sat on a cat. Now let's practice with some nonsense words. These are fake words. Don't guess. Say the sounds slowly, then say them fast. K, off, cough. P, ud, pud. Ub. T, up, tup. B, up, bup. L, op, lop. Mup, mup. Mef, mef. Off, noff.